5 things you can say to make a woman truly fall for you. Hey friends! How's it going? Welcome back to our channel. In this article, I'm going to share 5 powerful things you can say to a woman to make her fall for you. These aren't your typical one-liners or generic compliments. They're rooted in deep psychology that taps into her emotions and builds genuine attraction. Curious? Let's dive right in, and trust me, you won't want to miss a single point. 1. Compliments that feel earned. We all know compliments can brighten someone's day, but when it comes to a woman you're interested in, how you compliment her matters even more. Avoid overused praise. Compliments like "you're beautiful" or "you have amazing eyes" might be nice, but they're things she's probably heard 100 times. Focus on the unique. Instead, highlight something about her personality or dreams. For example, if she's passionate about becoming a writer, you might say, "I love how you express yourself. Your way with words is incredible. It feels like you can paint pictures with them." This shows that you're paying attention to her deeper qualities, not just surface-level attributes. Pro tip: deliver these compliments as if you're slowly noticing these traits over time. Make it feel like she's gradually winning you over. This approach builds mystery and keeps her intrigued. 2. The golden mirror technique. Women love when someone validates their dreams and aspirations. The golden mirror technique involves tying a compliment directly to one of her goals or passions. Example: if she dreams of being a psychologist, you could say, "You're such a good listener. It's like you can instantly understand what someone is feeling. I bet people would open up to you so easily." End with something playful to keep things light, like, "Too bad you're also such a goofball. I can't take you seriously." This combination of validation and playfulness keeps the conversation engaging and makes her feel truly seen. 3. Be the puzzle she wants to solve. One of the biggest mistakes men make is becoming too predictable. Women are naturally drawn to mystery and mental challenges. If she figures you out too quickly, she might lose interest. Here's how to create a sense of intrigue. Send mixed signals. Express interest subtly, then pull back playfully. For instance, after a heartfelt compliment, you might say, "But don't let it go to your head. I'm still deciding if you're worth my time." Keep her guessing. Use playful teasing or ambiguous statements that leave her wondering. For example, hold her hand briefly during a conversation, then let go and act as if it was no big deal. This small action sparks curiosity and excitement. The key is to remain unpredictable in your behavior and responses. Women love the thrill of figuring out where they stand with you. 4. The power of her name. Using her name in conversations might seem simple, but it has a profound psychological effect. When you say her name while maintaining eye contact, it creates a subtle spark of intimacy. It draws her attention and makes her feel special. Example: instead of saying, "That's interesting," say, "That's so interesting." Her name. It's a small change that can leave a lasting impact. Why? Because it plays into her subconscious desire for connection and significance. 5. Future projection. Plant the seed. This technique involves subtly painting a picture of a future with her in it. It's fun, playful, and works wonders in building emotional connection. Example: after taking a selfie together, casually say, "Wow, we'd make such cute babies." Immediately switch the topic to keep things light and prevent the moment from becoming too serious. This approach plants the idea of a future with you in her mind without forcing it. Another way to use this is to jokingly talk about activities you might do together, like, "We should totally start a band, though I'm not sure you'd be able to keep up with my singing skills." Bonus tip: don't reveal your feelings too soon. Many guys make the mistake of confessing their feelings early on, thinking it will win her over. However, this can backfire. Why? Women love the suspense and mystery of falling in love. When you confess too soon, it takes away the thrill and can make her feel like the chase is over. Instead, let her come to the realization herself. Guide her through the process subtly by being the mental challenge she craves. When she feels like she's winning you over, her feelings will intensify naturally. Final thoughts. Attraction isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding the psychology of connection and creating moments that resonate emotionally. By using these techniques, giving meaningful, unique compliments, validating her dreams with the golden mirror method, keeping her guessing with a touch of mystery, using her name to build intimacy, and planting seeds of a shared future, you're not just saying words. You're creating an emotional experience she won't forget. Remember, it's not about tricking her into liking you. It's about helping her realize that you're someone worth falling for. Now that you have these tips, go out there and make magic happen. And don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.